Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. I am Harsh Kumar and this is the part 5 of the video series HTML CSS for the beginners, and today's topic is list. In this video, we will learn what are lists. So let's go to our code editor. Let's quickly create a page. Part 5 list dot html. Please set our boilerplate list. There are two types of lists: unordered list and ordered list. Right now, first we will discuss about unordered list. Unordered list. What is unordered list? An unordered list is a list which has no order, just like a shopping cart. So to write the unordered list, type UL as a unordered list initials, and to add the list item, li. Now add a list item like food items. Check the result in our browser. Right click, open with live server. Let me zoom a little. Here is the unordered list, which is shown by a bullet point. We can change this bullet point to CSS. Let me show it to you. To change the style of the bullet point, we have to add a CSS property, style, list style, where now you can see our bullet point is changed to square, and something like you can change it to circle. Now black bullets change to outline circle, and now you can hide this bullet point completely by initializing none property. Let me copy this list 3 times. Here, circle. We use this unordered list very often for creating navigation bar, which we try later in this course. And now we check order list. So as usual, for the order list OL, and list item li is same. The basic difference of unordered list and order list is that order list have a pattern which can be used step-by-step procedure, something like how to put an elephant in the fridge. First, open the gate of the fridge. put the elephant. In the fridge. Close the fridge. Add the heading for the order list. Now let us check in the browser. Now there is a list with a number pattern 1, 2, 3, and we can also change this number pattern. Add the attribute type in the OL tab and the value as a capital A. Now it changed to capital ABC, and now change the value to small a and small I for Roman numbers, and capital I for capital Roman numbers. The default is natural number. So now we copy and paste this list. Now let's check it in our browser. It's good. That's all for now. And please subscribe this channel and click the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.